Hello students, how are you? Today we will study the poem Hope is the Thing with Feather by Emily Dickinson, one of the finest American poetess. We also call her the poetess of death. Emily Dickinson did not give title to her poem, so the first line is always given as a title. If you look at the first line, Hope is the thing with feather, and you see that the title of the poem is the same. The rhyme scheme is ABCD, CB, ABCB. The second four lines rhyme full except for the first, for the half rhyme in the first stanza, soul and all. So in soul and all in the first stanza, these are the half rhyme. So A, B, C, B. So feather and word are not rhyming, so they will be given different alphabets A, B, C, B. With many of the Emily Dickinson poems, this one follows the basic iambic trimeter rhythm. Tri means three, I mean two. So I'm in the iambic meter. First word which is unstressed, the second word is stressed. Tri means three, so there will be 3 meter rhythm with an extra syllable in the first and the third line of each stanza. Now, if you look at the first line, hope is stressed, thing is stressed here, and feather is stressed here. So we have an opening toshi followed by two iams and extra beat or feminine ending. Emphasis when reading falls on the opening word. Then in the second line, that per is stressed, in is stressed, and soul is stressed. So iambic trimeter. Trimeter is that it is 1 meter, 2 meter, so 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. So they are 3 meter. So it continues in the second line. Iambic trimeter continues in the second line. Now study poem stanza by stanza. Stanza 1. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings that tune without a word and never stops at all. So first word is given special emphasis with special marks, with special speech marks. What is inverted comma? What is that? It is inverted comma. As if the poetess wants to define the elusive words hope, and she does so with metaphor. Hope is the thing with feather. Hope has feather, and it can like a bird perch in the human soul. Feathers are soft and gentle to the touch, but they are also strong in flight, even on tiny birds. The imagery here grows stronger as the reader progresses. Not only the hope feathery, it can sing. It sits on the path and sings the whole time. But the thing's special for there are no words, no dictions for anyone to understand rationally. It's as if hope is pure song, pure feeling, a deep-seated longing that can take flight at any time. The song is endless. Note the double dash emphasis on at all and the stanza break which bring extra attention to these two little words at all. Stanza 2. And sweeter in the gale is storm, very strong storm, is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. The first line is unusual in the use of double dash. There are two distinct pauses which the reader has to be careful. Distinct pauses, these two dashes. Hope is always singing, as we know from the first stanza, but it sings the sweetest when the things gets rough, when the gale starts to blow. So when life is hard and things are strong throws at us, the precious relentless, there is hope, singing through the chaos. Note the first mentioning of the bird in line second, 7. It would take a storm to embarrass this bird, which protects many people from the adverse situations. Hope is difficult to disturb, even when life seems hard. Now the third stanza. Stanza 3. I've heard in the chillest land, and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity, it asked a crumb of me. So, if you look at this land, I've heard, I've heard it in the chill land. So automatically there are one, two, three, four. So this line could be scanned as iambic tetrameter because there are 4 meter in it, 4 feet in it. The personal pronoun I appears for the first time, indicating a personal connection to the subject. Emily Dickinson thought of herself as a little bird, so the link is direct. The speaker has heard the bird during the hardest, coldest time, when emotions are churning and life sorrow. But even when the things are extreme, hope is still there, and never asks for anything. Hope gives us much, but never asks for crumb in return. It is all inspirational, yet slightly mysterious. Hope wells up in the heart and soul, yet who knows where it comes from. Philosophy, religious, psychology, and even metaphor are not sufficient. There is an abstract nature to hope. It can give us strength to carry on in the most adverse of conditions. It, its voice can be heard despite the noise at the height of the storm. Sir, student, if you have any questions regarding this poem, you can write your comment as a question and I'll be able to answer those questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.